Hello, welcome to the sixth session. In this session, we will distribute the cost with the entity corporate, and the admin expense is, let's assume, 10,000. Now we want to distribute this admin expense which is incurred in the corporate with the same proportion as the revenue for the entities 20 and 23. So that's the scenario. So let's write the script logic for this. I have already logged in with SAP BPC. Now go to the script logic. Go to the model default. So double click on run allocation template. So here we see like the one thing is factor, then we have dimension, and then what this is the source, where is the target, using is the condition or the records which are used for the, this is the basis for the allocation using in this total. So let's remove this, do it everything from scratch. So let's write vector, let's write dim is, let's minimize it so we see the report as well. So the dim is RB account what the source of this account should be 54 4 zeros, where this admin cost should be apportioned. So we want to apportion the same cost in the same account but with different entities. So the account should be the same with 54 with 4 zeros. The shortcut to write this is write these 4 left arrows, which means take the left value, which is 54 with 4 zeros. Using which account I need to use. So I need to distribute the admin expense using the values which are in the revenue account. So using is 4140. Sorry, I need to put one more zero, and then total should be whatever we written in the using. So the shortcut is right. Okay, so this is something we have completed with the account. Now go to the entity. So the other dimension is RB entity. What is with which entity? So the source of the entity is 22. Where we want to use all the entities, so we may write 20, 22, 23 using all entities. total all entities. Now let's validate it. Let's maximize it first. Validate it. It's all good. Save it. Let's minimize it. So look at the requirement and the code. The requirement is to apportion the 10,000 cost which is in the admin expense with entity 22, which is corporate, and no sale is being done in this entity. So we want to apportion this admin expense to those entities where the sale has been made. And we see like the revenue we generated is from entity 20 and 23. So this expense should be apportioned as per the ratio of the revenue in the entities. So what we written here in the account, we said like the source is 54 and the target is we want to write the admin expense in the same admin expense account, and which account we going to use for the allocation or distribution. This is the 41 revenue account, and the total we need to take as the same revenue account. And for the entity we said like the source should be the entity 22, the corporate, and where we need to split because it's not making any revenue, so we want to see zero in an admin expense for the entity 22. So that's why we included 22 in the where, using it's all entities and the total is all the entities. So let's try to save it now, and then let's see what happens. So save it. Yes, there's some error. So let's enter it again. 10,000. Save it again. Yes. Again. Let's go to the code. So we missed this factor thing. So the factor should be equals to using divided by total. Let's validate it, because otherwise the factor will be considered as 1 as a default factor. Save it. Minimize it again. Okay. Save it again. Yes. Okay. So we like finally distributed the 10,000 cost, the admin expense, with the same proportion as we see in the revenue, which is 1:3. So 10,000 is split in 25:75. So in this session we learned how to distribute a cost as per certain conditions using the run allocation method in the logic script. Thanks for watching. We will resume this concept and some other concepts in the upcoming sessions. Bye.